Обираме луфта и с много леко движение се прави това нещо. Няма хамалска работа. Стискам хърлушка, после свякам ящата става отзад. Обираш луфта и наместваш.
Днеската добре тук.
Respira fundo. Solta. Ótimo. Relaxa.
All right, deep breath for me. All the way out. Beautiful. Nice. Good. This deep breath for me. All the way. Good. Perfect. Same thing, other side. So one thing we're also going to do is we're going to work on our neck, and we're going to do the general as well. But we're going to loosen up just a couple of visits in a row first. Deep breath. All the way out. Good. Perfect. Awesome. Your favorite. Nice. And as you can tell, her ears are turning bright red. That means the blood's going up, and that's a good thing. Beautiful. All the way up. Good. There it is. This side up for me. Hello. All the way out. Nice. Very good. Let's go face up for me. Beautiful. Boom. Okay.
Gently pull upwards. How does it feel?
Oh, it feels relaxing.
Awesome. Now the pressure. So how do you feel now?
I can't feel my body.
Relax for me. Very good.
Oh.
Okay. Very good. Now we had to get a little bit deeper into there because, like I said, I noticed it that it's a little in the superior cervicals. Relax here for me. Good. Okay. Take a deep breath for me. Completely exhale. We're going to provide some general motion here into the thoracic spine. Very good. You okay?
Yeah.
All right. Very good. Relax right here for me. Good. Relax right here for me. Now, one thing we want to note, right, is this is the first time Christina's ever getting any chiropractic treatment. And completely exhale. Very good. Let me have you lay on your side facing the opposite way for me. Okay. Top leg bent, bottom leg straight. Switch them. Right in here, right over here. Okay. Relax right here for me. I want you to relax your hips. Breathe in. Completely exhale. Good, very good. All right.
Oh, crack. Damn it.
It's certain crack.
Let your breath out. We get T9. Okay.
3, 4, so we're going to adjust that manually. Adjust this in here.
And as we palpated, we noted here on her left upper cervical region. Very good. We got some restriction right in there. We'll get right in here. Good. Okay. Excellent. All right. We're going to have you relax right here. Get your legs into a more neutral position. Okay. We're going to palpate here through the upper back. Okay. We're going to get some general movement in here. Take a deep breath for me. Completely exhale. Very good. Okay. Relax right in here. Good. Right in here. Very good. So we're going to get in here and provide some movement. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good. Lay on your side facing the opposite way for me. Okay. Good. Okay. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good.
Breathe in. Breathe out.
Soltar, soltar. Respira bem fundo. Soltar, solta. Ótimo. Mais. Ótimo. Viu? Baixa esse ombro aí pra mim. Ótimo.
Nossa.
Con un buon appoggio e si mobilizza. Mettiamo una leggera tensione e un piccolo movimento di...
Ah, acredito que o wrestling, né? Porque ele é um cara que. Ah, uma das pessoas é o mais fácil, que eu conheci lá na vida.
Ótimo.
Yeah, you can feel all this tension here. Just let it go. Good. Rest right here. Good. There we go. That was better. Good.
Eccoti qua, sei a posto. Esatto. Anche qua. Sei libero.
Exhale. Good, 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 good. Big breath in again. And exhale. Good.
Oh yeah, boy, that was perfect. There we go. Oh yeah. Oh boy, that was perfect.
It's going to be epic and loud. Go ahead.
Get
Ready?
really close, Ash.
Okay. Oh.
One more.
See if there's any more down low.
No?
That'll work. Each vertebrae, if you grab the skin with your thumbs forward, just above it, and pull straight up, you'll crack each one individually. It's unbelievable. See if you can hear it. There's one. Two. If you can't hear that,
Probably get closer to the camera.
it is just cracking. That was a loud one. Unbelievably awesome.
Bueno.
Oh my god.
Want you to relay?
Poquito, ya se me está pasando.
Poquito. I don't think it's poquito. So I'm gonna go easy on her because. Good. Huh? Not as bad, huh?
Inhale. Ooh, that's good. Inhale. Big one. Up. Oh yeah. Inhale again. Inhale again.
Good. You okay, dude?
Mm-hmm.
Good. Other side?
Okay, right here.
Good. Very nice. How was that?
Good.
Good.
So as you can see, your right side is a little tight.
Oh.
Yeah. Good. Take a deep breath. We found one. All the way out. Good job, man. Perfect. Forward. Take a deep breath for me. All the way out. Perfect. Good. And the other side.
I heard it crack.
Oh yeah, I felt it crack. All right, Amber. Deep breath for me. Good. Perfect. Let's go face up for me. All right, deep breath for me. And relax. Nice. Every time you smile. One more. Good.
Oh yeah, good. Feel that all the way down?
Yes, sir.
All right. That's the ring dinger. he's still kicking, all right. Now Chuck's had some issues with his eyes and his, oh yeah.
Did some chiropractic orthopedic exams. We found some issue in the spine here, so we're just providing some chiropractic manipulation there. Okay. Relax right in here for me. Very good. Okay, very good. I want you to take a deep breath for me. Completely exhale. Very good. All right. Take a deep breath for me. Completely exhale. Very good. Relax right here for me. Very good. Very good. Relax the body for me. Take a deep breath for me. Completely exhale. Very good. I want you to lay facing the opposite way for me. Top leg bent, bottom leg straight here for me. Excellent. Get right over here. Right in here. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good.
All right, deep breath for me. All the way out. Beautiful. Good. You okay?
Mm-hmm.
Good. Deep breath for me. All the way out. Don't even wait for me. Perfect. Same thing, other side.
Mm-hmm.
Deep breath for me. Oh, nice. That was very good. Go face up for me. That was locked up.
Let it all out and relax. I'm just gonna put some easy traction. There you go, better. You feel that all the way down?
Yeah.
Okay, good. And yes, she is still kicking. Go ahead and leave your head back there. Good. So we're gonna do a Palmer diversified cervical rotary adjustment on her cervical spine.